Welcome again to another edition of our toy review. This time we feature the Transformers Universe Ratchet. Itong si Ratchet, ibang-iba to sa yung G1 series ng Ratchet, which was released 1980s or 1984 to be exact. Bakal yun. And yung pagka-van ng naunang Ratchet is yung typical na van talaga, yung mga ambulance na van, flat front, while this one modifications have been applied and SUV na ang type ni SUV type of vehicle na ngayon tong si Ratchet. Okay, I think highlights is modernization in applied ng Hasbro to this toy, kasi sa US as well as dito sa Pilipinas, yung mga hospital nating, mga leading hospitals natin tulad ng Makati Med, St. Luke's Hospital, and De Los Santos, na-observe ko ito na yung mga ito na yung mga ambulances nila. Kadalasan ito Chevrolet yan. Okay, low lights, medyo hindi maganda yung pagkaka-lay down, yung pagkaka-layout na itong vehicle mode ng Ratchet, as well as in the Ironhide. Yung Ironhide kasi red version lang nito Okay, now how to convert this to robot? It's quite challenging kasi as for me, hindi talaga ako nangongolekta ng hindi ako nangongolekta ng movie line Pero isa sa mga napansin ko, yung pagkakagawa na sa robot mode nitong yung robot mode nitong si Ratchet. Although G1 series siya, medyo inspired siya ng movie line series ng Transformers. Okay, so accessories here, meron siyang weapon na kailangan natin tanggalin first before we convert it into full robot. As I was mentioning, inspired to ng parang siyang inspired ng mga movie line series ng Transformers. Kasulad nitong paa, mapapansin nyo medyo kakaiba yung paa nito Hindi siya yung mga usual na Transformers universe na na robot appearance. Ito may pagka siya medyo kakaiba talaga yung itsura niya For example, this one here, ito challenging na yung pagka nito, pagko-convert nito, kasi pagka nagkamali ka dito may makakalas na part. Tingnan nyo medyo masikip. Bend mo ganyan, then apply mo rin dun sa kabila. Okay, sa maniwala kahit sa hindi, paayan. As I was saying, kung hindi ka maingat, may makakalas na part. Okay, so ayan, itong part na to, alisin natin. Ayan. Okay. Oops, sorry. We have to connect this again. Sorry. Ayan, ito yung mga isa sa disadvantage na itong toy na to. Ayan, may mga nakakalas-kalas na part pagka medyo hindi ka maingat. Then you have to twist this part here. Twist front heel. Yan. Ito pa isa sa difference niya, kasi yung pinaka-chest ni yung pinaka-chest na itong si Ratchet is yung back part ng vehicle. Whereas yung G1, yung pinaka-chest ni Ratchet is yung front part ng vehicle. Okay, so another highlight here is yung kamay niya is open palm. Maganda yan. Okay siya kasi hindi siya yung mga usual na yung mga usual na Transformers Universe toys na closed hands. And this is my favorite part actually, yung dibdib. Look, observe ang dibdib. Press this one here. Chick. Yan. This is another challenging part. Yan. There we go. We have just converted Ratchet into its robot mode, and time for the weapon. Actually, yung weapon niya convertible into either a cannon or a dagger. Usually, ginagawa ko yung cannon mode niya. Mas trip ko yung cannon mode ni itong weapon niya. I-slide mo lang to dyan, kabit mo. Oops, yes. Alright, so another low light here na mapapansin nyo, yung ulo ni Ratchet ngayon, halos hindi mo na makita Hindi pantay yung pagkakagawa ng pagkakalayout ng ulo niya with the chest. Kasi parang halos nakayuko na siya halos nakayuko siya. I think this is one of the defects or design defects nitong laruan na to. Hindi masyadong accurate yung pagkaka-execute ng design, as well as yung kahit yung ratchet yung Iron Hug toy, ito rin isa sa mga defects nila. And yung ulo na itong si Ratchet, medyo napalaki yata itong nasa noon niya, para tuloy siyang yung sina Herbert Bautista nun, bagets, parang may tali sa ulo. Yung Ratchet na nasa cartoons noon, etong nasa ulo niya na parang sungay, maliit lang yun. As for me, okay na rin siya, kasi considering na may points of articulation siya. But somehow, of course, kung medyo meticuloso ka, I would not recommend this toy. Kung medyo meticuloso ka, But syempre, since toy collector tayo and nabili natin to for sale, for your information, 400 lang bili ko dyan, original price is 700. Pwede na rin. Well, this concludes our toy review for tonight. I hope you enjoyed it. Good night.